Subscribe and press a like to Peanut Nola. Eligio Bishop Tyson Nature Boy, whatever the hell your name is. Your days are drawing near. You have done so many awful things to these people. Yes, people have came and they are gone when they have realized that you are a fake, that you are self-driven only about you. But your time is drawing near. You are the same man that said that you allowed a dog to lick your shit. You are the same man that said that you allowed your son to touch your shit. You are the same man that has manipulated mentally challenged people. You are the same man that told an elderly woman to stop taking her medication. Yes, your sins are coming to the light and you shall be judged. Your day is coming near the end.